10 steps to starting a freelance writing business. Number 1. Determine your niche. Consider what specific topics or types of writing you are most interested in and have the most experience with. Number 2. Build a portfolio. Start collecting samples of your writing to showcase your skills and experience to potential clients. Number 3. Set up a website. Create a professional website to serve as a hub for your business and provide potential clients with information about your services. Number 4. Determine your rates. Research the market rate for freelance writers in your area and set your rates accordingly. Number 5. Find clients. Network with other writers and industry professionals. Consider joining a professional association or using job boards and freelancing platforms to find clients. Number 6. Develop a contract. Create a standard contract that outlines the terms of your work, including payment terms and deadlines. Number 7. Set up a system for invoicing and payment. Choose a system for tracking your projects, invoicing clients, and receiving payment. Number 8. Invest in tools and resources. Consider investing in resources like a grammar checker or writing software to improve your efficiency and the quality of your work. Number 9. Stay organized. Use tools like project management software and a calendar to stay organized and ensure that you meet your deadlines. And number 10. Continuously improve your skills. Stay up to date with industry developments and continually improve your skills to provide the best possible service to your clients. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Come back next week for more tips on starting side hustles and freelancing businesses. Okay, that's all for this episode. If you want to learn more about how you can get your freelance